Hey, it's Connie. I'm coming to you today with a recipe from my friend Nathan, who probably, his wife Casey probably makes it too. But Nathan is the one that sent it to me with pictures. Oh, here's what I do next. Easy recipe. Chicken Tikka Masala. I wanted to make this for a while. I had the sauce for a while. You can get it in different places, different brands of tikka masala, which is a sauce. Mine came from Aldi's. Really nice. I used one bottle. You could use more. I probably would try to use a little bit more next time to make it even a little bit more saucy. But anyway, the description will be below. It's very easy, the link for the description. The link for the recipe is in the description below. I'll get it eventually. Anyway, and that is a very easy recipe that I think kids would like this. His kids like it. It tastes really nice. It's a nice saucy recipe. You can use different vegetables if you want to put in different vegetables. I think you can also make a vegetarian style. If you didn't want to use chicken, you could probably use tofu. But I made it with chicken, and he originally made it with chicken. So it's a good recipe that you could make that's something good for the weekend when you're in a hurry. Thank you, Ben. Okay, and here it goes. I'll show you how to make it.